Hello traders, today is the 26th of September 2010 and this video is about multiple time frame trading. Okay, on this chart here we have the daily chart of the pound Swiss franc currency pair. Okay, and on this chart we can see the ABCD chart pattern, very important and powerful chart pattern. Okay, I will show you clearly what I'm talking about here. Okay, right here is the A section here. I will put there the letter A. Okay, I hope everything will be clear. That's the letter A, that's the A. And in this section here we have the letter B here. We put B there. Okay, and that's the B, A, B. And then right here we have the C. Okay, so we put C. Okay, so that's the C there. And we have the D in this section here. I'll put the C. What's the best place to put it? I'll put it here. Okay, so, and then that's the D section here. Okay, so this is the A, B, C, D. Okay, if I draw my horizontal line, my line for you, see this is from A all the way to B, and then from B all the way to C, and then from C all the way to D. Okay, this is a very bullish pattern. We have it also for the uptrend and also for the downtrend, and this one is a very bullish one. Okay, from here up down, this is completed. The D session is completed, as you can see all the time during when the D session is completed, which is in fact right here. The market sometimes will try to test below the D session to reassure themselves that is truly a support zone. That's what usually happens when you see the ABCD completed. Okay, sometimes you may try to enter the trade there only to see the price pushing a bit down. This is normal because the market is trying to reassure itself that this D is a very strong support level that they can rely on. So that's why they try to push it a bit below the D, which in fact is completed somewhere here on this horizontal line here. They push a bit down, they were quite happy. Okay, some people bought it, and then when they realize that it's a valid one, they push it back. Those who missed the boat, there are some traders who got power. Okay, the market movers sometimes they are late, but you have to wait for them and understand what's going on. If they are late, they will push the price back again to that level. You see, it came back again to the lowest point, and the people bought it again right there. You see this candle here. This is on a daily chart. Okay, talking about multiple time frame trading. Okay, I'll clear all the drawing on this chart, and then we switch back to the weekly chart. From the daily chart, now we go to the weekly chart. On the weekly chart, this is what we see. Okay, but if you look carefully, we have a double bottom formation here. I will draw again another horizontal line on this weekly chart for you. Bear with me 1 second, I will get there. Okay, then we have here this the same level again around the 15500. You see the price went down, went up, come back again and retest this, a kind of a double bottom pattern here on the weekly chart. If I draw my line for you, you will see that there was here, and then we came from here, we went up here, and now we are here. Okay, so we're expecting a movement to go again now to the upside from here. Okay, so this is the kind of double bottom pattern on the weekly chart. So multiple time frame, you are looking at exactly the same thing but in a different dimension. Okay, it's the same currency pair, the pound Swiss franc currency pair, very volatile currency pair. This video is only for educational purposes only. It's neither solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell any currency or security or store or auction at all. This is a very volatile currency pair. If you do not know how to trade like a pro, do not trade the pound Swiss franc currency pair. Very volatile and fast. Okay, so this is the weekly chart. We see now we have the line and the double bottom formation. This is watching the price in different time frame. That's why we talk about multiple time frame trading. Okay, so I'm going to clear the line again on this chart here. The same chart we go now from the weekly, we go into the monthly chart. Okay, this is the monthly chart of this pound Swiss franc currency pair. Okay, very volatile currency pair. Okay, as you can see, the price went down from this level all the way down here, push it back up here, and then they bring it back. This is again a double bottom formation. If I draw my line for you, you will see clearly that we have a double bottom pattern. The price went all the way down here and went back up this to this level here, and then retrace back to this level here. The key point to remember is this level here. If you buy here, You must pay attention to this zone here. The downtrend will be finished completely after the price cross above this. I'll show you clearly what I'm talking about here so that we can have a clear understanding of this. The downtrend will be finished after the price cross above this level here and come back and find a support at that level. Okay, I'm talking about sorry for my drawing. Okay, I'm sorry about that. Okay, now the downtrend will be finished when the price will cross above this level here and then come back and test it. Okay, and then continue the movement to the upside. Okay, I'm talking about this level here, very important. Okay, this line here, I'll quickly color that into red. Okay, this red line, that's the key point. If the price cross above it, okay, bullishly above it, and retrace back and find a support right there, that will be the end of the downtrend. But right now, if this double bottom is confirmed, it's only telling us that the downtrend is weakening, but it will be ended after the scenario of going above this line and coming back and finding support above it. That will be a confirmation of the end of this downtrend from here to here. So again, on the weekly chart, this is on the monthly chart. This is why we have a double bottom pattern for the same currency pair. Talking about multiple time frame trading. Okay, so I'll just quickly check the time with you too. Now we're going from the monthly chart. We go to the quarterly chart. The same currency pair went all the way down here. You can see clearly there. The same pattern is coming consistently on all time frame. So the investor, the position trader, the swing traders, the day trader, the scalpers will see almost the same thing, and they all try to do the exactly same thing. Okay, so that's what we are talking about. Okay, and then come back and test this level here, and before continuing the movement to the upside. Okay, so you see clearly that we are seeing exactly this. This is the quarterly chart. Okay, if you watch carefully, look carefully on this chart here. On this level here, this is the key level you need to remember. This level here is the 15500. Okay, this level of 15500. This is the key level you need to remember. Okay, where the white horizontal line. Each time the price comes to that level, the price is finding an excellent support. This candle here have a tail. This one also got a tail in the region of 15500. And again, this candle here also is finding a tail here, which means there's excellent support around the zone of 15500. Okay, so if you buy now at 15590, you must place your stop below the 15500. Very important for this volatile currency pair, GBP CHF pound Swiss franc currency pair. This is our quarterly chart. Okay, so we are talking about multiple time frame, looking at exactly the same thing in a various time frame in order to get our entry point excellent. Okay, now we're going to the yearly chart. Okay, so from the daily chart we went to the weekly chart, we went to the monthly chart, we went to the quarterly chart. Now we are going to the yearly chart. This is the yearly chart, the powerful chart. Okay, that many traders do not bother to look at this yearly chart or this currency pair. As you can see, I want you to pay attention only to the low level here where we have all this tail, which is again the zone of the 15500 for this Swiss franc, this pound Swiss franc currency pair, GBP CHF currency pair. As you can see, the zone of 15500 is excellent support level. This red candle here from this level all the way down here was in 2008, the bearish season. The prime find support exactly in the region of 15500. It went below it, but when it crossed above it, it stayed above it. Same thing in 2009, it went below it, but when it crossed above it, it found a support. This year again, in 2010, the price went below it, it found support below it. Now it crossed back above the level of 15500. We are now at 15590. So this is it. This is the yearly chart. This is about a multiple time frame, looking at exactly the same thing in a various time frame to make your trading decision. Okay, so till next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy and trade like a pro. We do not assume that this currency pair will definitely by all means go up, but we have excellent opportunity to look at this information and use it in our favor, following the price with our powerful tool, the TSTW24 trading system. We wish you a very happy trading week and enjoy yourself. Thank you.